Welcome, people. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on the video. And make sure you subscribe if you're brand new. It'll take nothing. Really don't need a penny. Just hit a subscribe so we can push the thing forward. Up and running. So people, before we move forward, let me show you something right now. I'll show you this package let me just get in the mail. I wonder what it is. I wonder what it will be. Let us see the big reveal, people. The big reveal. Check it out. Alex Ferguson, fam. My autobiography by Alex Ferguson. Fam, this is going to be a heck of a read. And I am going to love it. My autobiography by Alex Ferguson. This is going to be one hell of a read. It's going to be fun reading about the great man's triumphs and regrets for the years. I can't wait. I cannot wait. And it's going to be a good read too. The book does not seem like a big read in terms of the writing. It's not small. It's spacious. That means we can read one or two books, two chapters and not cry. So yeah, this is going to be a great read about Manchester United and Alex Ferguson. So it's going to be great. I'm gonna look forward to seeing it, reading it. All right, I know to the game now. Manchester United versus Aston Villa. Don't remind you guys our Aston Villa did to us last game in the league, but this is a different game, different team, Carling Cup. So I'm hoping that we're gonna have different results. However, this is the starting lineup for Manchester United. Dubravka in goal. Dalot, who is not playing the next game, so he might as well play this game. Lindelof and Maguire. Harry Maguire, fam. We have Malacia. We have McTominay and Fred in the midfield. We have Van de Beek. We have Fernandez, Rashford, and Martial. Now we know how good Rashford is. We know how good Martial can be. Hopefully he's reclaim his form from preseason. Not last season, but preseason going into this game. We know how good Fernandez is. I still don't know what Van de Beek does. I don't know. I don't know how good he is. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, don't know. Maybe you can tell me, but I don't know. Fred and McTominay, the story has been told for 15 years. 15 more years to come, fam. I hope that we can hold our own against this team. I hope so. But let's see. Let's fucking see, fam. Fuck! Holy fuck, fam. How's that not a handball, fam? How's that not a handball? What the fuck is the referee doing, fam? Yes! 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 Suck your mama, post the wall. Brr. Fuck! Fucking hell, fam. Fuck! Ah! 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 Maguire is not a footballer, brother. He's not a footballer. I don't know what he is, but he's not a fucking footballer, brother. He's not a footballer. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Fucking yes, man. Turn. Pass it now. Yes! 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 Fuck, man! Pass the ball, brother! You're not a footballer, Harry Maguire. You're not a fucking footballer, brother. Bumbleclot. Oh! Ah! Woo! Ah, what a try. Good try, no, Bruno. Me bumbleclot here. Beat it. Ah, you're close to him. You're close to him. Oh! Oh! Pass it! No! 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 Ah! Yes! 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 Fucking yes! Bumbleclaw. Goal. Goal. Goal! Yeah, goal! Come on, Alex. Come on, fam. Goal, you know? Goal! 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 Golasso! Poses. That boy, the name gonna show him baller, you know. That you the name gonna show him bumbo clock baller, you know. Me pussy clock, me bumbo, what a ball. What a bumbo clock ball. Well fucking done, man. Well fucking done. By about time. But bumbo clock time. Well done. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Bless up, Manaz.